Next topic is electric current. This is my fifth lecture. Now, what is electric current? When two charged bodies at different electric potentials are connected by a metallic wire, then electric charge will flow from the body at higher potential to the body at lower potential till they both acquire the same potential. Important point, the electric charges whose flow in a metallic wire continues electric current are the negative charged called electrons. That means when the two bodies are connected with a metallic wire, the charge flows from one body to the other body in form of electrons. This is the important point, that the current flows in terms of negative charges, that is electrons. Some definitions of electric current. First, we can say that the electric current is a flow of electric charges called electrons in a conductor. So this is a very simple definition. Next one is a very simple definition, and you should keep in mind, and very appropriate definition of electric current, that is rate of flow of charge is known as current. So whenever we call or we say rate of flow, that means the quantity must be divided by the time t. Here what we have said, that rate of flow of charge, that means q by t, is known as current, that is equal to I. So I is equal to q by t. Here q is equal to charge, I is equal to current, and t is equal to time. If a charge of q coulombs flows through a conductor in time t seconds, then the magnitude I of the electric current flowing through it is given by I is equal to q by t. And through the diagram we have, suppose we have one conductor A, another one conductor B, and it is connected with a wire, then the charge flows from higher potential towards the lower potential. मतलब आज मैं हिंदी में भी आपको थोड़ा सा बता देता हूँ. जब दो कंडक्टर को हम किसी वायर से कनेक्ट करते हैं तो हमेशा चार्ज हायर पोटेंशियल से लोअर पोटेंशियल वाले कंडक्टर की तरफ फ्लो करता है. ठीक है. Now from this equation, I is equal to q by t. If t is equal to 1 second, then from the equation I is equal to q by t, I is equal to q by 1, that is I is equal to, or I becomes equal to q. It is clear that current becomes equal to flow of charge. Now next definition of electric current. So there are so many definitions of electric current. What is this definition? When the charge in the circuit flows from a cross-sectional point in 1 second, that is called current. Or we can say the magnitude of electric current in a conductor is the amount of charge flowing through a given point of the conductor in 1 second. The SI unit of electric current is ampere. करंट की SI यूनिट जो होती है वो एम्पियर होती है, एंड एम्पियर इज डिनोटेड बाय अ लेटर कैपिटल ए. इसको कैपिटल ए से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. डेफिनेशन ऑफ 1 एम्पियर. So these all are the definitions, very important regarding examination point of view. Again, from equation I is equal to Q by T. If charge Q is equal to 1 coulomb, time T is equal to 1 second, then from the formula I is equal to 1 coulomb upon 1 second is equal to 1 ampere. So what does it mean? When 1 ampere is that amount of current when 1 coulomb of charge flows through any cross section of a conductor in 1 second. So 1 coulomb charge is flowing through any cross section of the conductor is constitute 1 ampere current in that conductor. Some smaller quantities or units of current are of current in smaller quantities are milliampere and microampere. Milliampere is represented as MA and this symbol is called mu. In Greek language it is called mu. Microampere. Now what is the relation between milliampere and ampere and microampere and ampere? So 1 milliampere is equal to 1 by 1000 ampere, or 1 mA is equal to 1 by 1000 A. 1 by 1000 can be represented as 10 to the power minus 3. You can write it as 1 upon 10 to the power 3. When this power of denominator is brought in numerator, it becomes 10 to the power minus 3. Positive becomes negative. So 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Similarly, 1 microampere is equal to 1 upon 1000 into 1000 ampere. 1 microampere is equal to 10 to the power 1 upon 10 to the power 6 ampere. Similarly, again, when this power 10 to the power 6 is brought in numerator, it becomes 10 to the power minus 6. So 1 microampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. So these are the two important relationships. That is, 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere and 1 microampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere. So in numericals, these quantities are often used, so you should keep in mind. Next topic is ammeter. Current is measured by an instrument known as ammeter. The ammeter is an instrument through which the current is to be measured in the circuit. Important point. The ammeter is always connected in series. Very important. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. In the previous lecture I have discussed. Now the ammeter is always connected in series. Most important point. With the circuit in which the current is to be measured. Example. If we want to find out the current flowing through a conductor, let it be BC, like as electric wire, then ammeter is connected with this BC conductor in series combination of this wire as shown in the figure. This is an instrument known as ammeter. One wire of there are 2 points of the ammeter. One is connected to B point and then C. This combination is called series combination. When B and C connected like this combination is called parallel combination, but this is called series combination. हिंदी में कहते हैं श्रेणी क्रम. तो सीरीज में ये लगा हुआ है. Important point again. Why ammeter is kept in series combination? And in previous lecture we have discussed that voltmeter is kept in parallel combination. An ammeter has a very low resistance so that whole current passes through the ammeter, and that's why ammeter is always kept in series combination so that it may not change the value of the current flowing in the circuit. So why the ammeter is connected in series? Because the whole current should pass through the conductor so that we can get the exact value what amount of current is flowing through the circuit. Now in next lecture we will cover some few sample examples related to this equation. Q is equal to IT or I is equal to Q by T. Q is equal to IT or I is equal to Q by T. So we will discuss about this formula and few problems will be solved in the next lecture, that is lecture 6th. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel, like this channel, view this channel. If any suggestion, you can put your views so that comments so that we can improve the lectures regarding your subject. Thanks a lot.